Hello students. Welcome to e2eHiring. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an account on the e2eHiring candidate module. Go to www.e2eHiring.com. This will direct you to a landing page. To create your account, click on the login button on the right-hand corner of the web page. If you are new, click on the register. You can create an e2eHiring account using your email address. Fill in the necessary information manually. Set up the password and click on the register. By clicking on the register, you automatically accept the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy of the e2eHiring platform. By clicking on the register, you will receive an one-time password to your mail. Copy and paste the OTP on the registration page. Now you can log in by entering your email ID and password. It will take you to the job portal page where you can upload or drag your resume or fill in the details manually. Once the resume is uploaded, it will extract all the information required to create a profile such as skills, experience, and education. Wait until the system extracts your information. This might take some time. Once extracted, you can verify your details in the e2eHiring profile. In case you want to change any information, simply click on Edit and update the information. Verifying the mobile number, skills, and education are mandatory to apply for a job. After verifying your profile details, click on the jobs and apply for the job by clicking on the Apply button. This is it. You are now ready to apply for suitable jobs on e2eHiring.